Soil. Activity. Water through the soil pores. Objective. To study the percolation rates and water holding capacities of different soils. Theory. Soil is porous, that is, it has tiny pores in it. When water is poured over it, then some water gets absorbed in the soil and rest passes down the soil. The process of passing down water slowly through the soil is called percolation of water. The percolation rate differs in different soil types. Water holding capacity of the soil is the amount of water held by the spaces of the soil after the percolation of gravitational water into the deeper layers. The ability of soil to retain water is strongly related to the particle size. Learning outcomes. 1. Students understand the property of percolation and water holding capacity of soil. 2. Students can compare the difference between the soil types based on these properties. Materials required. 1. 25 grams of each sandy, clay and loamy soil. 2. Measuring cylinders. 3. 3 funnels. 4. Filter paper. Did you know? The ideal soil is 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay. This mixture is referred to as loam. Procedure. 1. Weigh 25 grams of each sample of sandy, clayey and loamy soil. 2. Take 3 funnels and insert filter paper cones into each one of them and add each soil sample over the filter paper. 3. Place these funnels on top of the measuring cylinders. 4. Pour 50 milliliters water over each soil sample. 5. Allow water to seep through the soil samples. Your final reading will be when no more water droplets come out of the funnel into the measuring cylinder. Observation. Calculations. 1. Calculate the percolation rate for each soil sample using the following formula. Volume of water collected in the measuring cylinder equals to time taken for Y amount of water to collect into the measuring cylinder equals to percolation rate equals to amount of soil taken, G, equals to water holding capacity equals to result. For sandy soil, 1. Percolation rate equals to 2. Water holding capacity equals to. For loamy soil, 1. Percolation rate equals to 2. Water holding capacity equals to. For clayey soil, 1. Percolation rate equals to 2. Water holding capacity equals to. Conclusion. The percolation rates of different soil types is of the order, sandy has highest, then loamy and then clayey. The water holding capacities of different soil types is of the order, highest is clayey, then loamy and then sandy. Precaution. 1. Water should be poured gently onto the soil. 2. Powdered soil should be used. Find out more. Silt is the 4th major soil type. It is a fine sediment that collects on the bottoms of rivers, streams and lakes. Find out more about the properties of silt and the types of crops that can be grown in it. Sorting queries.
What is the composition of soil?
Soil consists of 45% minerals, 25% water, 25% air and 5% organic matter for good garden soil. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!